I'm Tom Saenen. I'm a technology developer at Atlas Copco, which is a company that specializes in developing and manufacturing air and gas solutions, compressor solutions, vacuum solutions for a wide variety of industries, including, for example, medical gas industry, construction industry and transportation industry.
Collaboration with Atlas Copco was very fruitful. Quite clearly, the researchers at Atlas Copco are very computationally savvy. They know what they're doing, they know what the tools are, and they immediately had quite specific in-depth questions on how to use the supercomputer in a most optimal fashion. My team was very eager to help them and get them to a working solution and answer these questions as much as possible.
Our experience with the VSC team was also very positive. Every time we had a technical question, they were really interested in trying to come up with a solution. It felt truly like they were collaborating with us to achieve the results that Atlas Copco wanted to achieve. And they were readily available in sharing their insights and their expertise in trying to solve the problems that we encountered.
If you're a company and you need computational power to solve your research problems, get in touch with the Flemish Supercomputer Center.